What's up, guys? Today we're working on the Magnum X. This is the second time I've done this intro because I realized when I was editing that I didn't turn on my audio. As you guys can see, a lot of rust. This thing's apart. So let's get into the video. There's some real unfortunate stuff going on, guys. I cannot believe how bad some of these parts are. So let's get right into it. So I'm starting to see a theme with this. As you guys can see, there's a bunch of rust on the table. Look inside this hub here. That looks really bad. This wheel bearing is super bad. Brakes are super bad and rusty and whatnot. So we're gonna look into maybe replacing this. I don't know. We'll see if we can. We'll see if we can get this thing back to normal. It is kind of locked up, but maybe we can restore this. So just looking at these shocks here, I mean, you can see that there's a clear bend in that. So I'm just gonna take the ones off that I have and go from there. Guys, let me know if you can put EBRs on this, like maybe a set of maxi EBR forks. Alright guys, there we go. So the frame is completely disassembled. Now I'm really curious to why this bike doesn't want to turn over. So let's open this thing up and see what's up. But first, I want to show you guys this exhaust. Look, check this out. Alright, so here's the exhaust, guys. As you can see, there's a little play here in the tailpipe here. What do you guys think? Is this normal? I really don't know much about these. So let me know in the comments. Wow, okay. Let me know in the comments below if this is a normal thing for one of these. So with all these imperfections, this exhaust being like trashed basically, I do want to know down in the comments below if that's normal, because I really don't know. Maybe I'll hang on to it if it's normal. After looking at the shocks, the front forks, and we haven't even cracked open the motor yet, it's kind of looking like I'm going to need to replace a lot of parts on this thing. So in my head, I'm kind of picturing something not stock, a little bit flashy. It's probably going to be an expensive build. Let me know what parts I should put on this bike. So now let's tear apart this motor. I have no idea what I'm looking at. All right, guys, look at this. No, that cylinder is toast. So with that, what kind of kit should we throw on this now? All right, let's attempt to get this top end off. I bet this thing is absolutely rusted together. Doesn't look terrible just yet, I suppose. All right, mallet time. All right, this cylinder is stuck on there. Let's just open up the rest of the motor and pull it out that way. All right, guys, so it's been officially over 24 hours. I've probably coated this thing 3 times with a rust remover. So we're gonna go ahead and try to free this up and hopefully tear apart this case. because as of right now, it's looking like the only thing we really need is this case. So let's see if we can break this thing free. All right, so it doesn't look like we're going to get this cylinder off. Let's go ahead and try to get this flywheel cover off, and then maybe we can get to the stator. Here's the real question, though. Can we get this cover off? There we go, we got it. Take a look at that, guys. That looks terrible. All right, so I cannot get these screws out here. I got to figure out what to do next. All right, so most people would try to apply heat right now. What I'm going to do is try to apply force. Gonna hit my screwdriver right in there. Give it the biggest twist of its life. Oh, there we go. Hey, we got it. Oh, we got it. Now we got to get the money shot for TikTok. I've never seen a seal like this bulged out. I just realized if I want to split this case, I'm going to have to take at least this stud out. So let's go ahead and try to get this stud out. Finally time. It's a little cracked. Let's see what's inside and how much damage we got. So this still spins, kinda. That crankshaft, guys. Wow, that's terrible. That's so bad. Let's try to see if we can get this thing apart. I don't know if we'll have to take off these other studs here, but let's see if we can pull it out this way. I definitely need to keep all this stuff together here. I've never played with one of these kind of clutches. And there we go, guys. Everything's just about taken apart. I'm missing my tool to take the clips off of this bell, so I'm gonna hold off on that. In the meantime, guys, let me know what we should do to the Puch Magnum X. I'm gonna start looking at some parts. I know it's gonna be an expensive build. I'm thinking a 70cc kit. Maybe if somebody makes exhausts, we'll get a custom exhaust for it and just tune the crap out of this thing. So guys, hope you enjoyed it. See you next time and ride safe.